Rip it open. Rip it open.
A bunny!
What?
A champion something. That's what my helmet was for.
Oh, that's what it was for. Minnow, I can't see you.
What the heck?
What's that?
It's like a clean light.
Wow.
Let's get our stockings open.
Here, Minnow. I'll help you.
Mom, can I take my stocking off?
Yeah, be very careful. Okay, let me get Minnow's. Come here, Minnow. Oh, that's a nice shiny bike. That's nice.
Yeah. Is this a body scrubber for me?
Yeah. Here. Come on, come get on the couch over here.
It's Minnow's.
No. It's yours. Everything in there is yours.
I remember your glasses.
Yeah, I know. I told you it's for your stocking.
But is that a pink?
No, it's red.
Look, Mommy, my hand washer.
Yeah. What's that, Jojo?
Let's see.
Push the button. It looks like there's a button.
Cisco one.
Yeah, cool.
I know I have one of these. It's
Yeah.
the one.
Push it.